United People's Front (UPF) President N. Rupachandra asserted that failure to learn from the incidents of historic past, today's generation are suppressing one another. The president made a statement during the 192nd National Reconsolidation Month observance held at Manipur Press Club today under the theme Aikoi Amuk Khuntaklaroi. Vice Chancellor of Khungnang Thaba University, Professor Naurim Joy Kumar, DM University Department of History, Assistant Professor Dr. Malem Ningthauja, and Associate Professor Dr. Syed Ahmed, among others, attended the event. UPF President Rupachandra said, efforts have been made to take correct step by rectifying errors occurred in the historic past to march forward for a better state. However, today's generation remains unable to learn from the past, emphasizing the importance of collective strength for Manipuri identity. He added that among the programs organized by UPF includes a seminar, workshop and discussions on campaign for protection and promotion of Manipuri national identity with an objective to promote awareness and motivate the youths.
Pandam Ojaraga, Saliba, Asigi, December Tang, Mapaldagi, Icona National Reconsolidation Monkey Program, Kangladigi Mairalo Toxaraga, Icon Manipur Creators Club, Miam Mipama Pantok program is House of Beni. Karigidamakta, Icona National Reconsolidation Pantok even have it, Tongan, Lamdam Kundamina Mayamse, Icon Amukana, Punchilaga, Manipur Puna, Lamina Puna, Minaba, having a pandam to the Icona program is Pantok 7.